Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now I know it's been a while, but I've been so busy with work recently, so I've not really managed to upload much. Currently, right now, I'm in the process of doing a little mod to the car. I've got my mate James coming to help me out, moving my other mate as well. I just need a little bit of help, because today I'm fitting some spacers to the car. So, yeah, as you can see, car is ready. Literally, it's all prepared. I'll show you what the wheels look like now. So I've got 15mm spacers for the front, and I've got 20mm spacers for the back, because that seems to be the fairly common / decent thing to do on these, all 20mm all round. But I've gone 15s for the front, 20 for the back. Currently, from where I'm looking, this is what it looks like. So the whole wheel is it's quite tucked in. There's a lot of space there. There's a huge gap. And the front, well, they look like that. So, I mean, there's definitely space for it to go out. I will admit, guys, I have made a start, and I have done the rear on this side already. Front ones I still need to do, so I need some help. I need someone to have their foot on the brake whilst I tighten up the spacers. But I'll show you what this side looks like, and there's a lot less gap. It looks really good. Now I just need to get the car lowered. So yeah, so this side obviously looks like that. Big old gap. This side now looks like this. So yeah, not as much as a gap. And it sticks out pretty nicely. It's quite flush. And then from the back, looks like that instead of like that. I don't know if you guys can really see much of a difference on here, but trust me, it looks better in person, I promise. Yeah, I'm going to do the other rear one whilst I wait for my mate to arrive. Like I said, the weather is not great. It's currently raining. It stops. I thought, do you know what? I'll come out and do a car mod. Yeah, why not? I've got the pits. Why not? And then it started raining. My car is absolutely filth at the moment as well. Oh well. It needs a good clean, but it's winter, so, Anyway, I'm just going to get on with it, wait for my mate to arrive, and do this rear while I'm waiting. That's the plan. Right, so I said my mate James was turning up, and here he is. Hey James. It's his car. He's got a Honda Civic with no VTEC. Painted his wheels blue. Very nice blue. He tried to do a bit of touching up there. He didn't want me to show you guys that, but there it is. Basically, this man over here was a bit camera shy. Basically, that man over there was trying to do handbrake turns in a car park, and he proper fucked up that wheel and bent it slightly. but you know, it's been repaired since, and he's done a good job of covering up the big old curb mark that's down there. I don't know if you guys can see, but he's done a good job of it. Rear ones are now done. I think it looks all right. It's a bit wider. Don't look too bad. Could do the fronts. Got some 15s. 15mm spacers for the fronts. So if anyone's wondering where I got these and what they look like, they are these from Psycho Developments. They're just the Black Series forged wheel spacers. These ones, like I said, are 15s. And yeah, that's basically what they look like. So if you're interested, they're black, they're cool. There you go. Now we're going to do the fronts. Okay, so I've now fitted the spacers to my MK8 Fiesta ST. I've got 20mm on the rear and 15mm on the front. Just for a quick recap, I'm going to show you quickly what that looks like actually on the car, so you can get a little feel for if you want to do this for yourself. So as you can see, the rears are quite nicely out now. And the fronts, even though I've got the wheels turned at the moment, they also sit really nicely in the archway, but if I had them straight, you'll be able to see that a little bit better. Okay, so that there is what they look like. I actually really like these spacers from Psycho Developments, and if you want to know exactly where I bought them from, there'll be a link in the description below, so you guys can check them out for yourself. I would totally recommend them, and that is coming from someone who's bought iBack spacers previously in the past. These ones come already black, so there's no need to like paint them for yourself or anything. They blend in really nice with the black wheels, so yeah, if you are looking for some black wheel spacers, I would definitely recommend them. Psycho Developments, link in the description below, and you can check them out for yourself. If you enjoyed this, please leave me a thumbs up. Remember to hit that subscribe button, keep smashing that support, really like it. Thank you guys so much for watching, thank you so much for subscribing, thank you so much for liking, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.